Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Stefan Andretti. I'm sorry, but I can't be with you today in the Netherlands. So this is why I have recorded this short video message to introduce our company Transvalor and to expose the reasons why we are contributing and supporting the microgravity application program. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and I'll be right back just after the slideshow.
Transvalor is a French company based in south of France. Since 1984, we operate as an independent software vendor to serve the manufacturing industry in the field of process modeling. We provide engineering staff with simulation solutions in order to optimize various forming processes such as forging, cold forming, rolling, casting, and welding. Transvalor products are highly rooted in research. We conduct our mid- and long-term research in close cooperation with the CMEF laboratory from the Paris School of Mine. Among our different solutions, THERCAST software is a fully dedicated software to casting processes. In this context, the fundamental science upon solidification, driven by the European Space Agency, is a key lever for better comprehension of the physical phenomena. For this reason, we do expect substantial benefits from the microgravity application program. Whether we're talking about foundry casting, ingot casting, or continuous casting, the very large majority of the defects observed on the final cast product are related to solidification. Today, pouring and solidification can be simulated taking into consideration every phase of the metal, liquid, solid, together with the grain structure. However, aspects related to the segregation phenomena are not under perfect comprehension, and this is where research takes place. The framework of the material science roadmap states scientific questions that are perfectly in line with our customers' expectations, especially if we think about the steelmaking industry. This is the reason why our contribution and support is essential to the CCEMLCC and the CETSOL projects, in which Transvalor is involved as a partner. With this project, we have the possibility to understand the mechanisms of macro-segregation induced either by solid deformation, solidification shrinkage, or both effects combined together. In addition, being able to conduct experiments under microgravity conditions is a great benefit, as it cancels almost every convection effects. Therefore, it is possible to understand micro-segregation phenomena driven solely by solid deformation or solidification shrinkage. This is a typical example of an experiment conducted under microgravity conditions. The electromagnetic field applied by the inductor creates a levitation effect. On a pseudo-round sample, simulation shows the temperature build up due to induction heating, and consequently the evolution of carbon concentration and various phases as well, BCC, FCC, and cementite. With the CETSOL project, we expect to better understand and quantify the impact of alloy structure and grain growth over microsegregation. As we can see on this example, the project delivers very encouraging results. We observe good correlation between the experiment and the simulation regarding the prediction of equiaxial or columnar grain structure. As a matter of conclusion, these are some of the benefits that we have already identified as a MAP partner. On the modeling side, Transvalor has integrated extended macro-segregation models available in the THERCAST software. Developers have been able to create specific modules such as a pole figure visualizer, which is a great tool to study grain structure orientation. Now, regarding the product and the market, getting access to experimental results and being able to assess them with reality is a tremendous advantage. Based on that, we have already reinforced our validation procedures, and therefore the software becomes more reliable and more predictive. The microgravity application program is a unique opportunity to put THERCAST software in line with market needs and expectations. In that context, continuous casting application will be one of our primary targets.
This presentation is now over, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to give a very special thanks to the organizers for giving us the opportunity to interact with the audience today. So if you have any further questions or interest, feel free to contact us or to visit our website. I wish you a very good day and a productive seminar. Goodbye, and thank you.